Business owners, are you thinking how you can make the change to a fully online business so that there is business continuity despite the lockdown? Well, sell more, do less is our recommended strategy by leading the customers to Postofixe e-commerce platform where customers can buy all interior products and services. This way your sales revenue per customer will increase. Increasing your business profit by 30% is possible within the platform as you outsource most supporting functions to specialists provided by the platform. To kickstart your online business, you get to use more than 35 pre-installed interior design schemes. Your designers make drag and drop changes, render it in high def, and bang, you close the sales. Furthermore, you get to sell chic design furnitures, floor finishes, decorative lightings without running all over Singapore to look at retail stores. Design and manufacturing efficiency is possible through mass customization of modular designs. So you may ask, how much does this platform cost? For normal account, it's totally free. We charge a small commission on the cost of the product. This way, everybody wins. With this account, you get to use the entire online business suites like our 3D design tool, complete with more than 35 preloaded designs, product shopping pages, and outsourcing services. To know more, give us a call at this number or head to our site to experience the ease of closing the sale. Postofixe, my place is awesome.